Hi, welcome to our video on recursion in Python. Now, what is recursion? Recursion is when a program keeps calling itself again and again. When you have this recursion in your program, you need to be very careful that you have a terminating condition and a baseline value, okay, that you will use when you decide to terminate this recursion. All right, if you do not have this, what will happen is you may end up with a infinite loop, okay, where the function keeps calling itself again and again indefinitely without terminating. And when that happens, you will have a program error, or in a worst case scenario, your whole system might crash. Okay, now let's look at this recursion program here in Python. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to first define a function here. Okay, and this function is going to be called recursive function, okay, without any parameters. And I'm going to do a print here, and I'm going to say calling recursive function. Okay, and inside this function, what I'm going to do is I'm going to call myself again. Okay, so I'm going to call recursive function again. Okay, so that's about it for the program here. Now, in the start of the actual application, I'm going to just do a print here so that we are aware that where we are starting from. Start of program. Okay, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to call recursive function here just once. Okay, so as you can see this program, we are going to call recursive function only once. Okay, and subsequently inside the recursive function, I'm going to call myself again and again and again. Okay, so this is what we call by recursion. But as you can see in this recursive function, there is no exit condition at all. Okay, I'm going to keep calling myself again and again until it reaches some endpoint where the system will just terminate or will crash. Alright, so let's just see what happens here. I'm going to save my file here and I'm going to run it. Okay, as you can see, I am running indefinitely, okay, until some point of time where the program sort of terminates. And as you can see, the error message is that maximum recursion depth has been exceeded. Okay, so this is what I mentioned just now, where you have a recursion without any endpoint. Okay, so it just keeps calling itself indefinitely. All right, so that's what I wanted to show you in this video here. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to write a proper recursion program. All right, so I'll see you there soon. Thank you.